Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we're going to talk about something essential for every LG TV owner, updating the software. With technology constantly evolving, it's crucial to keep your TV's software up to date for optimal performance and new features. So, let's dive into how you can easily update the software for your LG TV. 1. First things first, let's make sure your LG TV is connected to the internet. You can do this either through a wired Ethernet connection or via Wi-Fi. Once your TV is connected, grab your remote and let's get started. 2. Now, using your remote, navigate to the settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and look for the All Settings option. Click on it to access the full range of settings for your TV. 3. In the All Settings menu, locate and select the General tab. From there, scroll down until you find the About This TV option. This is where you'll find information about your TV, including the current software version. 4. Now, click on Software Update. Your LG TV will then check for available updates automatically. If there's a new update available, you'll be prompted to download and install it. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. 5. Once the update is finished, your LG TV will restart, and you'll be all set with the latest software version. It's that simple. Remember, keeping your TV's software up to date ensures not only improved performance but also access to the latest features and security patches. Conclusion. And there you have it. That's how you update the software for an LG TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.